Most traders place a trade and hope for the best, but TradingView actually has a built-in position sizing tool that lets you calculate your risk before you enter anything. I'm Isaiah from the Investor Center, and today I'm going to show you exactly how to use it in under 2 minutes. And if you're looking for the best brokers to trade on TradingView, I'll leave the link down in the description. Some of our top picks will get you 3 months of TradingView Premium completely free when you deposit. So once you have your TradingView charts open and you're on the pair or the instrument that you want to trade, all you have to do is go over to the left side panel here and click on forecasting and measurement tools. Just click the little arrow and it will bring up all of these options. When you're setting a stop loss or take profit, which are position sizing tools, all you want to do is select long if you're buying or short if you're selling. For this example, we're going to be using the short position. So you just left click and then left click onto the chart where you want your entry level to be. You can also do this somewhere where price hasn't actually reached yet, at a key level where you want to enter the trade. Then you can just drag your stop loss up or down depending on what level you want it to be at, where your trade is no longer valid, and then the same with your take profit, maybe down to a previous swing low as your key level. And that is how you visually apply it to the chart. If you actually wanted to take this trade, you can now take it on your actual broker. This will be able to show you how many pips it is away from your stop loss and how many pips it is away from your take profit, and also shows you the actual risk to reward ratio, which in this case is 1.89. If you wanted to take this trade directly from TradingView, if your broker allows that, all you would simply have to do is connect your broker to TradingView and then right click on the drawing tool, select create limit order, and then you would be able to take the trade based off the parameters that the drawing tool has already set. So your stop loss placement would already be there, your take profit placement would already be there. So now you know how to use the position sizing tool on TradingView. If you found this video useful, subscribing genuinely helps us keep making this content. I'll see you in the next one.